What the fuck out of it? Me walk through the fire, still me chat so bold. Pain in my veins, but me heart never cold. Them try drag me down, but my spirit not fold. Every cut, every scar tell a story untold. Me rise when the storm come, legs planet firm. Life teach me lesson, and me live what me learn. Them throw up your head, but me nah ever turn. Me blaze up my path, watch the whole place burn. Me stand on my own like a mountain grown. Them can't move my throne, me defend me zone. Me stand alone, me nah bow to no one. Heart beat strong like 100 drum. Them chat big talk, but me nah play dumb. Me fight for my soul till the kingdom come. Me rise on the heights where them never roam. Me claim every step like it fully moon. Them want see me fall, but my voice still strong. Me stand alone, me stand alone. Them say me too rough, but me born with the fire. Me push through the grime, climb higher and higher. All the long nights cold like a ghost nose. Still me never break, me just angle moves. Them a plan up, plot but me sight every move. Me no need big crowd for my power approve. Me go hold firm when the pressure get tight. Even when me hurt, me still ready for fight. My spirit too tough, my bones built from stone. Anything them a try, me still stand alone. Me stand alone, nah sell out my pride. Me move like a lion with strength in a stride. Them fling them cheap talk, but me see true lies. Me hype on the goal while them envy rise. Me walk through trials that will mash up man. But me hold my ground like it part of the plan. Them want me collapse, but my spirit still grow. Me stand alone, me stand alone. Me fight to the bone. Me stand alone. Me stand alone. Me stand alone.